Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making bruschetta chicken breast, so let's get started. The first step is to tenderize the chicken breast. I'm just going to flatten this out so that it will help with the cooking process a little later. Now I'm just going to season the chicken breast with some crushed garlic, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and a bit of salt. And I'm going to do this on both sides of the chicken breast. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients, including measurements, will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Once the chicken breast is seasoned, I'm just going to place this in a refrigerator to marinate for at least 1 hour. Now I'm just going to cut up some red onions. And I'm going to work on some tomatoes. And then I'm going to work on my basil. Now I'm just going to combine all the ingredients into a bowl. And I'll be seasoning with some salt, add a bit of olive oil, and a dash of balsamic vinegar. I'm just going to mix that together and place it in the refrigerator until the chicken is completely done. Oh, honey, now it's time to work on the chicken breast, and I'm just going to brown that on each side for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to place it in the oven, and I'm just going to finish it up there, and I'm going to bake it for around 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once that's done, just go ahead and place your bruschetta on the chicken, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.